what is TextBot? So TextBot, also affectionately known as AVA, is a state-of-the-art AI technology platform for SMS marketing. All right, so what does AVA do? So in its simplest form, TextBot allows prospective business leads to opt into your SMS list by sending an SMS keyword that you set up. But don't be scared. It is not hard. It's very easy to set up. I set up the whole system in about 15 minutes, 15, 20 minutes. The hardest part was setting up all the different payment methods that I take. So my PayPal, my Cash App, my credit card processor, my Stripe, and my Bitcoin. That's what took so long. Other than that, it was like really easy even to create the keywords, okay? All right, so what else? So TextBot also allows you to have conversations with the leads from the same interactive dashboard that I'm going to show you in a minute, okay? You can also sell the TextBot system and get paid unlimited $100 payments directly to your account. Now, every purchase, if you purchase a system, every purchase comes with reseller rights. So what does that mean? Your reseller rights, so there's no catch at all. There's no catch. So having reseller rights gives you the right to sell the system to anyone, and in hundreds of countries, not just tier 1 countries. So other countries like India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nigeria, they work with everyone in those countries, okay? So if you're watching that, like I know ClickBank doesn't work with Nigeria, but that's not a problem with this TextBot, okay? So you can resell this system as your own over and over and over again, all right? Okay, so is there any fine print? So to be 100% transparent, if you're selling this system like I do, and basically I own the system and I'm selling it to you, okay? If you're selling the system like I do, please note your second sale of $100. So you buy from me, the second person that you sell to comes to me. If you sell to someone below you, their second sale and everybody else's sale under them goes to you. So it's a very, very powerful 2-up system. It's not multi-level marketing. It's just a 2-up system. So what that does is that automatically it forces you to be serious. If you're going to do this, to be serious about it, because you don't want to lose your second sale and then not get it from someone else. So if you're reselling this, if you're using your reseller rights correctly and reselling this over and over and over again, you're going to get paid tenfold. Don't think about that second sale as a lost sale. Think of all the other sales that you're going to get for the people below you. All right. So how can people pay me directly? So in order to pay me directly, there's 8 different ways that you can collect if you're selling this system to someone. There's 8 different ways. There's PayPal, Cash App, credit card, which you would need your own credit card processor like Stripe, I think, or Payoneer, I think is another one. Venmo, Zelle, Google Pay, Apple Pay, and Bitcoin. Bitcoin's the big one because we know Bitcoin is taken all over the world and everyone has access to Bitcoin, all right? So who is this right for? So I can't really narrow it down. So I would say any business out there, especially small businesses, because most of the large businesses have this technology already. And it's very complicated and it's very, very expensive. For a total investment, if you think about this, you can have a business for $100 plus the usage fees. That's who this is right for. The sky's the limit. I use it for affiliate marketing, but I can see it used by contractors, flower shops, Shopify, online stores, restaurants, salons, bars, bowling alleys, auto shops. Anybody can use this system, okay? So is it expensive? No. I was blown away that my entire investment was $100 US, and that's a one-time payment for life. Once you pay $100 for this system, it is yours for life, okay? $100 for a business, basically, all right? I clicked on my buddy Drew's link. I paid him $100 directly. There's no middleman, no Warrior Plus, no JVZoo, no ClickBank, nothing like that. People pay you directly. They pay you directly. All right, using one of those 8 methods, they pay you directly, okay? I clicked on my buddy Drew's link. I paid him $100 in 5 minutes. He confirmed that I paid him, and then I had access to the system. So that's crazy, right? That it's so inexpensive. So are there additional costs? The only additional costs are for the messages themselves, and that's only 1 penny per message. So 1 US penny per message. That's crazy. You must buy usage credits. You can buy them one time. So they have different plans. They have $10, $25, and $50. I opted for the $10 plan because I have no idea how many text messages, how many SMS messages I'm going to send in a month. I don't know. So I didn't want to buy too many and not be able to use them because they expire after 90 days. So I bought $10 package, and if I need more, I can get more. It's a pay as you go, right? But I purchased the recurring monthly. So I did $10 recurring because if you buy now, they give you double the credits. So instead of 1,000 SMS messages, I can send 2,000 SMS messages for the same $10 per month. So $100 US to buy the business, and then $10 a month to run the business. It doesn't get any less expensive than that.